Hello everyone, welcome to another Music Learning Club video. In this video, we are going to learn melody in Elements of Music. Melody is the main tune of a song. It's a combination of pitch and rhythm. There are three main types of melodies: conjunct, disjunct, and chromatic. Conjunct: when melodies move by whole or half step like a scale, this is conjunct motion. Listen to the ascending and descending conjunct melody examples. Movement in larger intervals is called disjunct motion. In a disjunct melodic motion, the melodic phrase leaps upwards or downwards, and the movement is greater than a whole tone. Many popular songs have both disjunct and conjunct motions. Listen to the disjunct motion examples. Chromatic melodies include notes outside the key of music. In this chromatic melody example in G major, we have A sharp and C sharp. Both notes are not part of the G major scale. You can hear chromatic melodies very often in jazz. Listen to the chromatic melody example. Thanks for watching this Music Learning Club video. Make sure you watch the harmony and tonality video next, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you have enjoyed the video. Hope to see you soon. Bye.